welcome to the city in Murshidabad. Myself Vishwajit Sinha Roy. You can call me Rai. I am a licensed guide in Murshidabad city, certified by the government of India. It's my privilege and pleasure to guide you in the city of Murshidabad. So everyone know that Murshidabad is a great historical important, and Murshidabad also known by the name of Nawab Murshid Quli Khan, who was the first Nawab of Bengal. Once upon a time, Murshidabad was the capital of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. Murshidabad is situated eastern part of the India and southern part of the West Bengal and 200 kilometers far away from the city of Kolkata. So here we can find the 18th Nawab history, Murshid Quli Khan to Wasef Ali Mirza. Another hand, we can find the history of British, history of Dutch, history of French, history of Armenian, and history of Jainism and Buddhism. Also, we can find the history of great king Sasanko and Pal dynasty. So, Murshidabad is the very significant name in the modern history of India. In 1757, the Battle of Plassey, Siraj-Dowlah was defeated by Robert Clive. Robert Clive was the governor of British East India Company. From that time, British era or British Empire established in India. So that's why our great historian Jagannath Sarkar said that the modern history of India had started from that place. So Murshidabad is a great historical glory. Here we can find lots of historical spots like Hajardwari, like Katra Moth, like Khojbagh, like Moti Jheel, like Palace of Jagad Seth, and Palace of Nasipur Rajbari, Palace of Kasim Bajar Rajbari, etc. etc. So now we are standing in front of the Hajardwari Palace. So Hajardwari Palace is situated beside the river of Bhagirathi, and it is the 7th largest palace of India, and it is the main attraction of Murshidabad. Each and every day, lots of tourists come to visit for Hajardwari in Murshidabad. So Hajardwari was built by Nawab Humayun Jah in the duration of 1829 to 1837, and the architect was Duncan MacLeod, who designed the whole palace. And why the palace is Hajardwari? Before the palace, earliest the palace name is Boro Kutir, administrative building of the British. But after that, it converted into Hajardwari. So why the palace is Hajardwari Palace? So here you can find the Hajari mean is 1000, and Duari means is door and windows. Here you can find 1000 door or windows at a time. That's why the palace is called Hajardwari. So it's divided into 3 floors, and it's 3 floors, first floor, second floor and third floor. We can visit only the first floor, second floor, but we can't go upper part of the palace because it's not available for the general tourists. So here we can find the Indo-European architecture. We can see the triangle shape, royal symbol, Corinthian or colonial pillar, granite staircase shows us or tells us something about the Indo-European architecture. So already we have collected our ticket from the ticket counter. Now we are going to inside the palace. So before we are going to inside the palace, I would like to inform you something which is mentioned by the Archaeological Survey of India, because they have restricted some restriction. When we go to inside the palace, we do not take anything, do not touch anything inside the palace. We do not take a photograph inside the palace. We do not gather at a time at a place, and we do not speak loudly. So now 11:30, and I will give you just 2 hours to visit the palace, and we will meet again in front of the palace after 2 hours. So just go inside and visit. I will stay here for you, and so already you have visited inside the palace. So what is your opinion about the palace? Are you satisfied at the palace, or have you enjoyed the palace?
Yes, I am very enjoyed this palace. And again, you call me. Who was the architect of this palace?
Duncan MacLeod or Duncan MacLeod, the architect of the palace who designed the whole palace.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You are welcome,
Already
Mr. Kartik Ghosh.
Already you have told me that there are 1000 doors and windows. So can you tell me all the doors are real or fake?
No, it's very tough to say about that which one is the real and which one was the false. If you observe very carefully, that time you will understand which one is the false and which one is the real.
Oh yes, thank you, thank you.
So